Hello everyone and welcome back for yet another episode on Rescoli by Carlo, which is our YouTube channel. So, what we did today. A couple of weeks ago we went to a church bazaar and we found these two angels, which are chalk based, but they were painted in green and in silver and they weren't really that attractive. So we basically decided to upcycle them and relove them into a little bit of stone color. So what we did today, basically, what do you need for this upcycling project? We started off with a little cleanup first to remove all the grime. Then we went straight ahead with a coat of salt of the earth. We made sure to fill up all the grooves and all the crannies anywhere. So, after that we dried it up and we went for a little bit of gorgeous gold, but not really heavy and not everywhere, so that the shininess would just pop up when needed. Finally, when the gorgeous gold was dry, we went with our favorite product, which is obviously the browning wax, and we filled up everywhere and cleaned from the outside. And basically, this is the finished product. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Rescoli by Carlo. Ta-ta, and see you next week.